go.
Nope. Oh, Mom already picked it. Action.
Hi everybody. Today we're cooking from Asma's Indian kitchen. And we are making Paneer Malai Korma. The purchase of this book is brought to you by the Netflix special, which made us really love Asma.
We love Asma.
We love you. So today we're making a half recipe. And sorry, and then you stab Royce in the chest with the book. And so to do that, we have paneer, we have some sliced onions, we have coconut milk, ground almonds, we have coriander and cayenne pepper, ginger paste, garlic paste, tomato paste, sugar, salt, warm water, oil, and just a note. So these look like this tomato paste looks like that because it came out of the freezer. So normally when we buy the cans, or recently, Royce likes to kind of do small portioning scoops and freeze the leftovers so you don't have the leftover of the can kind of lurking around the fridge for too long.
It's smart, huh?
Sometimes. Okay, let's get cooking. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna start off by heating our oil in a pan over medium-high heat, she says, and we're gonna add our onions to that. Spoon.
It's gonna be shaky today because I'm too lazy to put a tripod.
It's like a Blair Witch effect.
People know who Blair Witch is.
I'm dating myself now. Okay, so heat oil, add the onions, cook, stirring until they start to color. Continue stirring to prevent onions from sticking and burning. Okay, yeah, don't burn the onions.
Got it.
Okay, so it started to brown, so now we are going to add our ginger and our garlic paste. Ginger.
Your knuckles are in the frame.
Sorry. Not that expert like you. Okay, and then she says to cook it for about a minute, and then we're going to add our cayenne and coriander. Okay, we're going to add the cayenne and coriander.
Fingers in there.
Sorry. And then she says cook until the raw smell is gone. We might have had the pan a little hot, so until the raw smell of the paste and spices has disappeared, she says, usually about a minute. If the mixture sticks to the pan, add a splash of water. Okay, let's do that now. She knew this was gonna happen. Oh, my nose. Now we're going to add our water. So I think the raw smell is gone. So now we're going to add our water and tomato paste, salt and sugar. Okay, water, tomato paste.
Knuckles, man.
Sorry. Salt. Sugar. Better, huh? Yeah. Go. Increase heat, bring to a boil, then reduce the heat. Okay? When does the coconut come? Did I miss that? Oh, no, that's at the end. Okay. Okay, and since we used frozen tomato paste here, we're just going to try and help that along as we're bringing it to a boil.
But it doesn't take too long before it melts, though, right?
No, yeah, it's melting right now. You can see. So it's still a good idea. and then so once she said bring to a boil, reduce heat, and then we're gonna cover it, leave to simmer until the liquid has reduced and the oil has risen to the surface. I don't know, just the oil that we added in the beginning, I guess. And the liquid also already looking pretty reduced here. I don't know, but I think we can reduce the heat now because it's boiling. Let's do that. So we'll just bring everything down from the sides, and then we'll just cover it just for a minute, maybe. I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, we'll try to follow these instructions. Okay. Okay, on low and cover it. So we're just taking a peek. It's been just a couple minutes, I think. So again, she says until liquid has reduced and oil has risen to the surface. I still don't see oil. Do you think the liquid has reduced? I mean, it's looking more liquidy. Like, I guess there's still some more that could get reduced. Should we leave it longer? Okay, we think it's okay. Okay. So then at this point, I think we can add our paneer. So add paneer to the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. We'll do that. Okay. And I'm assuming we're still on low because she doesn't say anything about changing the temperature. So add that. And I should note we're actually making a half recipe here because that's how much paneer that we had. So probably need a decent sized pan if you're gonna, or pot if you're gonna make a full recipe. My bad. So I just rereading, and she doesn't say reduce to low. She just says reduce the heat and let it simmer. So I probably reduced it a little too much, which is why it seemed weird. So we've now turned it back up to like medium-ish. And we'll wait till it heats up a little bit before we start our timer over here. Oh, and she also says not something about not stirring too much to break up the paneer, but ours is pretty firm, so I think we'll be okay. Maybe just like 1 more minute to compensate for my temperature problem. Okay, so ready? So now we're gonna add the coconut milk and ground almonds. Oops, hello. Sorry. And we'll mix it all up, and then we're cooking for an additional 2 to 3 minutes.
Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of Megan's knuckles.
Nice knuckles.
Her bony knuckles.
Anyways, cook uncovered for a further 2 to 3 minutes. And then she says, so then there's a part about breaking up. If you're making this dish in advance, which we are, she said just to reheat on low, but like try not to break up the paneer too much, but I think we're good.
Should probably tell people that we eat like Asma Khan Wednesdays or whatever once a week.
Yeah, so I should also mention this is we're trying to add some more dishes to our repertoire because we typically there's a few dishes from Asma Khan, and also a butter chicken, shout out to Chuhi's mom, recipe that we like to make once a week almost. So we're just kind of trying to expand on our menu. And this one, she says, is one of her favorite ways to cook paneer. So we thought we should try it. Because paneer was on sale.
Oh. And we do that just for like meal decision fatigue.
Yeah, so we kind of know what we're making every week, more or less. Also, it's good to make bigger batches and freeze them too.
Because we have a baby.
Oh,
Oh, he's waking up.
Gotta go. Bye, guys.
Okay, we're back. That was
There's a false alarm. No, not that. Oh, I don't know. Okay, no, it's a real alarm.
Gotta go, bye.
Okay, so I don't know if you can hear, but Royce is shushing in the background. But I think we're done here. It's been cooking for another couple minutes. It kind of looks redder in the recipe book, but I don't know. We will try it tonight and see. Wait. Okay, action. Okay. Ooh, Yeah, it looks good, huh? And then we're gonna garnish with cilantro and some sliced almonds. Done?
Done.
Moment of truth. Royce is trying now.
This is what I make for dinner. Okay, so paneer.
And?
It's good. It's a little bit spicy, but she says to adjust the cayenne. I feel like the paneer is a little bit too big.
So next time it'll be smaller chunks. Any other comments on processed recipe?
That's good.
Pretty tasty. Same thing though. I don't know. These just seem a little big. I feel like it might be nicer if they're smaller. But good.
Alright. Bye.
Bye. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's pretty good. It doesn't really look like the picture though. In the picture, it's a lot more red, but it's still tasty.
Action.
Hi everybody. Today we're cooking from Asma's Indian kitchen.
I have to speak up.
Oh,
You usually.
sorry, because the baby's napping. It's a habit.
Nicholas, pick a recipe, please. That we're gonna cook. That one? No, there's nothing there.
Well, just wait till he gets to one. He's working his way along.
Okay. Our first recipe from Nicholas is drum roll, please.
This penguin. This here penguin. Pick something.
We did this already,
I
buddy.
know he's not picking. I'm just getting him started. Oh wait, we made this one already. It's good, you're right, but we gotta do a different one. It's a different one. I can do it.
Never mind. Same page. There's no food there.